Autocomplete. The second smart tool is Autocomplete. This tool suggests words and phrases to complete your translation of a segment. Like the other smart tools, it's found on the bottom of the page. As a reminder, you can turn Autocomplete on or off by clicking on it. Autocomplete works in accordance with the resources attached to the project. These include the translation memories and terminology databases. This tool is unique for two reasons. First, it doesn't interfere with your typing. And second, because it learns as you make selections. It follows a special set of rules and is constantly being updated. It learns from the translation decisions you make about terms for this particular project. The terms you choose in one segment will pop up in the Autocomplete drop-down menu for later segments. Let's take a look at how it works. In segment 429, the translation is incomplete. When we begin to translate the second half by typing a J, Autocomplete suggests words and phrases that are appropriate. Autocomplete's internal algorithms determines the order of the suggestions. Simply click the phrase in order to add it to your segment. The more you use the tool, the better it gets.